Fucking bees everywhere, fucking swarming. This is a fucking trip. Is this the fucking Armageddon into the goddamn world? What the fuck's going on? Try to get in closer. Without getting the fuck stung out of me. Fuck. Like a huge swarm.